Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your Instagram posts to reach more people and get better engagement. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, so you won't face any issues while boosting your post. Once the update is complete, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Next, tap on Create and choose the photo or video that you want to post. For this video, I'll be selecting this photo. After selecting, tap Next. Here you'll see an option called Show More Options. Tap on it and you will find the Boost button. Simply toggle it on to start boosting your post. This feature helps your content reach a wider audience and can really improve your engagement. And that's it! Your post is now ready to reach more people. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this. Until next time, see you soon.